Okay, so we have logged in, so I'm just going to take us through the site's overview. Now, this is my dashboard here, and these are my sites. I have two sites here already built. Now, let me tell you something. Now, the free version of this card gives you access to build a maximum of 3 websites. All right, so if you build up to 3 websites and you want to build another one, you need to delete one, so you can only build 3 websites. That's the free version. So if you want to upgrade, you simply come here. This is the pro version. You upgrade to the pro, which gives you access to build as many websites as possible. Now, once you come here, you can see all these places you have here. This is just the overview of the dashboard here. These are if you want to manage your sites and the templates shared with you by people. If you click here, you can share templates. All right, if you have any to share with others, you can share them. Here is what to click on, what notifications. If there are any messages sent, just click here, notifications. And here if you want to get help, that is if you want to reach the support, you can click here. And then here, if you want to manage your account, you can click here and also manage your account. If you want to log out, you just click here and then you can log out. If you click here, it simply brings you to the overview. That's here, overview of your website. Now, how do we build a website? That is the most important thing here. How do you build a website? Now, before you build a website, it is very important that you have your sales copy ready, and you have the product that you want to also sell ready. It is very, very important. And your product must be a product that that is juicy and should be able to attract people. It should be a nice offer. Even if you're doing a lead magnet, you want to build an email list, you want to build a WhatsApp list, you should have an offer. Your lead magnet should be rich for people. Like this video I'm making now, if I use this video as a lead magnet, it's very, very rich. How to build a simple website. Now, if people can see this video that it is rich, now I'm now offering the main thing, you know that they will buy. So it is very important you get your sales copy ready. It's very important before you start building a website. Now let's click here that said new site. Click on new site. Now once you click on new site, this interface will open up. All right, this interface will open up. So I'll briefly go through this interface so that you can see what it is all about. Now here, if you click here is just simply a profile. Here is landing page. If you click here, landing page, it is showing different landing pages that are on this platform. Now I want to show us something. You can see that these are all pro. All right, pro, which means they are not free. Anytime you see pro, they are not free. But this one here, you're not seeing any pro. It is free, which means you can simply select it and begin to build. But I like building my website from the scratch using card.co. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very, very relatively simple. All right, it's simple. So if you want to use any of this website, you can just select it and then edit. It's simply edit. It's very, very simple. But what I'm going to do in this video is to show you how to build from the scratch. Here is form. All right, if there are forms, you can see pro. You want to collect details of people. Most of these packages are pro packages. So I just want to show you everything. This portfolio, right, you can see these are also free. If anyone you see pro is paid, anyone you don't see any pro is free. Okay, so if you have any templates, let me click on here, my templates. If you have any templates, that is someone has shared template with you, you can also see the templates. So generally, I want you to just go through this generally so that this video will not be lengthy. Go through it and then be acclimatized and familiarize yourself with this website. All right, so I'm clicking on that new again. Now, so once you come here, if you want to create a website, once you click on that let's go back so that you know what I'm talking about. You don't get missing this new site. Click on this new site here. All right, and then you now come here and then you can see here I'm clicking this blank canvas. You just click on it. If you click on it, then you have started your journey towards building your first website. Am I communicating? So click on this that says blank canvas, this first one, select it. So once you select it, automatically an interface will open up. All right, an interface will open up. Nothing is here. Let me delete this. That's how it's supposed to come up so that you don't get confused. Now, what happens here is that let me delete all this. This is not supposed to show. What is supposed to show here is that it's supposed to show you something like a guide, how these hamburgers really work, what all these are. Here, if you select this, this is what to add a template. This is to undo your last session. This is just to redo. This is just what to preview what you have done, and this is for you to view what you are doing on the mobile interface. And here is for you to publish your website. All right, and here if you click here, it will show the various icons for you to publish, for you to start over, change background, and also go back to your dashboard. That is how it's supposed to show. Depending on how your own opens up, I don't know, it's supposed to show all those things before it's not supposed to show like this. It's supposed to show some lines like this. It's supposed to show some lines which explains all this stuff. In case you see it, all right, you just proceed. Now once you have opened it up, the next thing you need to do, let me go back so that you don't get confused. Let me say leave, so you don't get confused. All right, so here you select the canvas, you select it. Once you select it, this interface will open up, and it says nothing here. So the next thing you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to start creating your website. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to start creating the website.